Guys, we are finally back with an update. I know every renovation journey is different, and I have never heard of anyone who has said that their renovation has been really smooth sailing. So on our part, it's just been fraught with a lot of delays, almost a month. I'm upset about it, but you know, it's not like my threats would have any effect on how fast or slow the renovation moves. And with that, let's move on to, our renovation process for week 1 of renovation. So week 1 of our renovation was just hacking away at the walls and also getting rid of the vinyl syrup on the floor. We found out that there were actually old terrazzo tiles underneath those vinyl, but the problem was these vinyl for some reason were glued on to the terrazzo tiles, so there was no way we could have salvaged the terrazzo tiles that were underneath. These footage are taken on day 3 of hacking, so actually all the walls are already down, but they haven't managed to clear the rubble away yet. We really opened up the space with all the walls in between each room just hacked away. Our contractor and ID also came down to have a look and to discuss the placement of the aircon piping and all the other pipes. This space is missing a huge chunk of wall because we are reconfiguring the toilets and also introducing a walk-in wardrobe to the space. Far too many clothes to be able to fit in just a tiny master bedroom. We get to peek into the kitchen as well, and I'm just so glad that the red cabinets are all gone now. What really bugged me was that all the windows in this house are different. So some are casement, some are sliding, even the window frames are of a different color. We will of course be changing all of that, and hopefully with all the aesthetic changes, everything looks uniform and you are just going to enjoy this view so much. And this is probably the only time you will be seeing this space so open, and because all the walls are down, we will be rebuilding a lot of these walls. Part of me wishes that we were able to keep this space this open, but Wai and I both need our own private spaces to work and to indulge in our own hobbies, and we definitely need a lot of storage, so I wish we could keep this. So this was taken a few days after. The contractors have also managed to clear away the rubble, so it looks even more spacious like this. You might have also noticed that they removed the window grills on the full-length window of the balcony. It's such a small thing, but it managed to let in even more light into the house. The kitchen is looking really spacious now after clearing away the rubble. It is at least twice the size of our current kitchen, and we found ourselves needing loads of counter space in our current kitchen, but I don't think that is going to be an issue in our new one. After hacking away all the walls, we did some calculation and also imagined ourselves in the space, and we realized that we needed to make some tiny changes to the layout of Wai's studio because we needed to maximize the walking space in between the living and dining room. I realized that we have not run through the new layout with you guys, so I'll be doing that in the next video. Stay tuned for that. So we managed to make it to the master bedroom because they cleared the rubble. From here you can see the master toilet. It's going to be extended and there is going to be an entrance into the walk-in wardrobe. This was actually really challenging to carve out due to the structural walls and displacement and overall layout of the space. Props to Ruby for thinking of a solution for us. There are 2 toilets as with most HDB flats, and but we are expanding the size of the master toilet and making the common toilet just a powder room so there'll be no shower there. This is a wide-angle look at the flat in its most raw and spacious state. After the walls go up, it's definitely not going to look like this anymore. In my next video, I will share the design processes and also the finalized layout so you guys have an idea of what is to be expected in the weeks to come with our renovation. Thank you very much for staying until the end, and I hope this is an interesting video for you. I will see you in the next one.